This is where our list of the best 5 electric pressure washers available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. Best Simpson Pressure Washer. Unmatched power and performance. At the heart of the Simpson CM61083 lies its robust 208cc Simpson engine, delivering an impressive 3,400 pounds per square inch of water pressure, combined with a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute (GPM). This potent combination ensures that even the toughest grime and dirt stand no chance against its force, making it ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks, from driveways and sidewalks to outdoor furniture and vehicles. Versatility and convenience. One of the standout features of the Simpson CM61083 is its versatility. Equipped with 5 quick connect nozzle tips, ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, as well as a soap applicator nozzle, this pressure washer offers customizable pressure settings to suit different surfaces and cleaning requirements. Whether you need a gentle rinse or a concentrated blast to tackle stubborn stains, the CM61083 has you covered. Furthermore, its compact design and 10-inch pneumatic wheels ensure easy maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around obstacles and access hard-to-reach areas with ease. The onboard storage for the spray gun, hose, and nozzles adds to its convenience, keeping everything organized and within reach during operation. Conclusion. Simpson Cleaning CM61083 stands tall as the best Simpson pressure washer, offering unmatched power, versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a homeowner tackling routine outdoor cleaning tasks or a professional contractor in need of a reliable workhorse, the CM61083 delivers the performance and convenience you demand. With its exceptional build quality, trusted brand reputation, and comprehensive warranty coverage, investing in the Simpson CM61083 is a decision you won't regret. Conclusion. The Sun Joe SPX200E electric pressure washer proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to achieve clean and pristine surfaces. With its affordable price point, respectable cleaning power, compact design, and user-friendly features, the SPX200E offers excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you're a homeowner looking to maintain your outdoor spaces or a enthusiast tackling household cleaning projects, the Sun Joe SPX200E delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank. Number 4. The best cheap electric pressure washer. Sun Joe SPX200 cleaning outdoor surfaces, vehicles, and equipment doesn't have to break the bank. With the Sun Joe SPX200E electric pressure washer, you can achieve sparkling results without sacrificing your budget. Let's explore why the SPX200E earns its title as the best cheap electric pressure washer. Affordable yet effective cleaning power. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, the Sun Joe SPX200E doesn't compromise on performance. Powered by a robust 10-amp motor, this compact pressure washer delivers a respectable 1,350 pounds per square inch of water pressure, along with a flow rate of 1.45 gallons per minute (GPM). While it may not match the power of higher-end models, the SPX200E is more than capable of tackling light to medium-duty cleaning tasks around the home. Compact and portable design. One of the key advantages of the Sun Joe SPX200E is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to transport and maneuver. Whether you're cleaning your patio, deck, or car, the SPX200E's portability ensures that you can tackle cleaning tasks with ease, even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Number 3. Best Steam Pressure Washer. North Star Electric Wet Steam and Hot Water Pressure Washer. When it comes to tackling tough cleaning tasks, traditional pressure washers often meet their match against stubborn grease, grime, and oil. However, with the advent of steam pressure washers, cleaning challenges become a thing of the past. Among the array of steam pressure washers on the market, the North Star Electric Wet Steam and Hot Water Pressure Washer emerges as a standout choice. Let's delve into why the North Star model earns its title as the best steam pressure washer. Unparalleled cleaning performance. The North Star Steam Pressure Washer harnesses the power of high-temperature steam to dissolve and blast away even the most stubborn residues with ease. With an impressive maximum output temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit, this machine is designed to tackle grease, oil, and grime in industrial, commercial, and residential settings. Whether you're cleaning heavy machinery, automotive parts, or concrete surfaces, the North Star Steam Pressure Washer delivers unparalleled cleaning performance. Conclusion: North Star Electric Wet Steam and Hot Water Pressure Washer sets the standard for steam cleaning performance. With its powerful steam output, versatility, durability, and user-friendly design, this machine is ideal for tackling the toughest cleaning challenges in industrial, commercial, and residential settings. Whether you're removing grease from machinery, sanitizing surfaces, or cleaning concrete floors, the North Star Steam Pressure Washer delivers exceptional results every time. Number 2. Best 4 GPM Pressure Washer. Simpson Cleaning PS 60843 PowRyte. When it comes to heavy-duty cleaning tasks, having a pressure washer with ample power and flow rate can make all the difference. Among the multitude of options available, the Simpson Cleaning PS 60843 PowRyte stands out as a true powerhouse, offering an impressive 4 gallons per minute (GPM) flow rate combined with exceptional performance and reliability. Let's delve into why the PS 60843 PowRyte earns its title as the best 4 GPM pressure washer on the market. Unmatched cleaning performance. At the heart of the Simpson PS 60843 PowRyte lies its robust Honda GX390 Commercial Series engine, delivering an astonishing 4,000 pounds per square inch of water pressure, coupled with a substantial 4 GPM flow rate. This potent combination ensures that even the most stubborn dirt, grime, and debris are no match for its formidable force. Whether you're tackling large surface areas, heavy machinery, or industrial equipment, the PS 60843 PowRyte delivers unrivaled cleaning performance with ease. Conclusion: Simpson Cleaning PS 60843 PowRyte sets the standard for high-flow pressure washers, offering unmatched power, versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a professional contractor tackling demanding cleaning jobs or a homeowner in need of a robust cleaning solution for large surface areas, the PS 60843 PowRyte delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Number 1. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. Keeping outdoor spaces, vehicles, and equipment clean and well maintained is essential for both aesthetic appeal and longevity. With the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer, accomplishing these tasks efficiently and effectively becomes a breeze. In this article, we'll delve into the features and capabilities of the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer to understand why it's a reliable choice for homeowners and enthusiasts alike. Power and performance. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer packs a punch with its 1800-watt motor, delivering a maximum pressure of 3,000 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute (GPM). This impressive power output makes it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from washing vehicles and removing dirt from driveways to cleaning outdoor furniture and siding. Whether you're tackling light-duty cleaning or more demanding projects, the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer provides the performance you need to get the job done effectively. Conclusion: PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer offers an efficient and effective solution for homeowners and enthusiasts looking to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. With its powerful performance, versatility, user-friendly design, and trusted brand reputation, the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is a valuable addition to any home maintenance arsenal. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.